So if you're watching this video, you probably post on Instagram from time to time, and you're probably thinking, I am calling in my dream clients, right? And when you say that, what the universe actually hears is to send you three people who want to pick your brain for free. And then what happens is you'll set a boundary that you want no more difficult clients. And what the universe hears is, oh, send more difficult clients your way. And then what you might say is something like, I attract high paying clients with ease. And then what the universe hears is someone who books a call, shows up 20 minutes late, and asks you if you have a payment plan for your $97 program. Sound familiar? Type clients in the comments if this is you right now. Let me explain what's actually happening. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Victoria Gallagher, Master Hypnotherapist, bestselling author of Practical Law of Attraction, and the founder of the BELIEVE Hypnosis App and the Money Manifestation Mastery community on School. And for over 25 years now, I have helped coaches, hypnotists, and creators to reprogram their subconscious minds so that they can actually manifest the clients and income that they desire and deserve. And today we are talking about why you keep getting the opposite of what you want. So here's the deal. Your conscious mind, the part that is doing the affirmations, posting on social media, making the Canva graphics that you probably spend way too much time doing, is the part that controls about 90 or 5% of your reality. That's the part that controls only 5% of your reality. The other 95% is your subconscious. And your subconscious doesn't care about what you want. I don't mean to sound mean when I say that, but it's just true. It doesn't care about what you want. It just knows what it's been programmed to believe is true. And that's what it does. It carries out whatever it believes is true, and it's there to protect you. So imagine this. You say, I am so committed. I'm more committed than ever for those high paying clients. What your subconscious mind remembers is that time when your aunt said that no one is going to pay for that, when your first client asked for a refund, when your ex said you're not cut out for business, when your dad's voice said, get a real job. That's what your subconscious mind is saying. And your conscious mind is saying, I want my ideal clients. And your subconscious mind is saying, that's not safe. That's not who we are. Remember what happened last time? Guess who wins? Every single time, your subconscious mind. So let me show you how this all plays out. You think, I don't want tire kickers anymore. Here's what the universe hears. Tire kickers. She loves those. Send more. You think, I'm done with clients who don't value my time. And the universe hears, clients who don't value my time. Coming right up. You think, no more boundary pushers who text me at midnight. And the universe hears, she specifically requested midnight texters. I am on it. Type stop in the comments if you are feeling personally attacked right now, because here's what's really happening. When you focus on what you don't want, I don't want any more broke clients. I don't want clients who ghost me. I don't want another nightmare launch. Your subconscious mind doesn't hear the don't. It just hears broke clients, ghost clients, nightmare launch. And that's how it goes. Oh, I know exactly how to create that. I've been practicing that for years, right? So this is exactly why I created the BELIEVE Hypnosis app, because your conscious mind can't override these subconscious suggestions. But with hypnosis, it goes straight to the source and it rewires it. So there's a link in the description if you want to try my hypnosis app to rewire those suggestions. And this isn't just woo-woo. This is actual neuroscience. Your brain has something that's called the Reticular Activating System, RAS for short. And I want you to think about this as your Instagram's algorithm. but for your entire life. So your RAS is programmed by your subconscious beliefs. So if your subconscious believes, I have to struggle to find good clients or to make money, your RAS will filter the reality to make that true for you. Its sole job is to match whatever's there in your subconscious mind. That's all it does. So whatever you're seeing out there on your in your reality, that's because it's in your subconscious mind, just projecting out there exactly what's there. So if you want to change that, you got to change what's in there. You can't change it by looking out there and trying to change it. And here's the thing is you're going to notice every red flag, every let me think about it, every person who says that's too expensive, I can't afford it. And you're going to completely miss the ideal client who's right there in front of you, who wants to say yes. You're going to overlook the DM from somebody perfect. You'll be too busy when the right opportunity shows up. And it's because that's its job is to filter those things out of your mind. So type filter if you're kind of resonating with this right now. If your brain if you're really picking up on what I'm saying here. Because here's the thing, your brain is literally filtering out what you want, and it is filtering in what you have been programmed to expect. So how on earth do you fix this? You can't just affirm harder. You can't vision board your way out of this. You have to go directly to the source, and the source is the subconscious level, and that's where you can reprogram this, and that's what hypnosis does. Hypnosis bypasses your conscious mind, and it speaks directly to your subconscious. It rewires those old programs and the programs that are like saying you're not good enough, the clients are so hard to find, I always struggle, I have to work hard, and it replaces it with new truth, whatever that truth is that you want to believe. When your subconscious believes, I'm magnetic to ideal clients. My services are incredibly valuable. I attract committed, high-paying clients effortlessly. Then your RAS starts filtering for those experiences instead of against them. And this is exactly what we do inside Money Manifestation Mastery. This is my community on School where we use hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious around clients, money, and worth. We have daily hypnosis sessions specifically for attracting ideal clients, releasing money blocks, and becoming magnetic. So type ready in the link and I will drop that in the comments. Now, here's what changes when you start doing this work. Instead of posting, I'm calling in clients and getting crickets, you post and 3 ideal clients come into your DMs. Instead of attracting tire kickers, people say, where do I sign up? Before you even finish your pitch. Instead of let me think about it, you're going to hear, I've been looking for someone exactly like you. The external actions that you're taking, they stay the same, but your internal programming is completely different, and that is what changes everything. So I want you to type magnetic if you are ready to stop attracting what you don't want and start becoming a magnet for what you do want. And so here's what to do next. Just simply download the BELIEVE Hypnosis app, try it free, start reprogramming your subconscious today. The link is in the description. And join Money Manifestation Mastery, which is my community where we do this work together with hypnosis, live events, a vault full of resources. And right now I'm testing the pricing so you can actually lock in a special rate of just $5 up until February 1st right now before we increase the price again. So go ahead and put the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Just hit the bell icon so that you won't miss the next video where I'm going to break down exactly how hypnosis works and how I use it for client attraction. So go ahead and comment subscribed when you have subscribed. I want to know who's subscribed here. Now remember, you're not doing it wrong. You have just been operating at the conscious level when 95% of your reality is created subconsciously. So once you change the program, you're going to change your reality. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Victoria Gallagher, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.